Make easy chicken and dumplings. Chicken and dumplings are popular in the Midwest and southern United States. It is attributed as a French-Canadian dish that begins during Great Depression. It is a delicious recipe and it is easy to make. Below are steps and guides on how to make easy chicken and dumplings. What you need to make chicken and dumplings. You need a skillet, cooking pot, chicken tenderloin strips, 1 chicken broth in can, 1 can of biscuits, 1/4 cup milk, 1 cup water, seasoning blend, salt, pepper, 1/4 tablespoon garlic powder, butter, parmesan cheese, celery, onions, and carrots. Chicken preparation. Rinse the chicken pieces in lukewarm or cold water. Put the chicken pieces on a dish after cleaning them. Sprinkle pepper, salt, and seasoning blend. You can sprinkle some Parmesan cheese if you desire. Heat the skillet. Put 2 tablespoons of butter in the skillet. Add the chicken. The butter will make the chicken tasteful. Cook the chicken until both its sides are golden brown. Cook the chicken. Cover the skillet once the butter melted. Cook the chicken on low to medium heat. The chicken might pop if the butter is too hot, so be careful. Shred the chicken. Put the cooked chicken on a plate. Let the shredded chicken pieces cool for easy shredding. If you're in a hurry, use a fork to shred to chicken. Add chicken broth. Put the shredded chicken pieces in a pot. Add the chicken broth and some water. Heat the pot and mix the broth until it dissolves. Add the seasonings, milk, and water. Fill the pot with water. Add the garlic powder, pepper, salt, and season blend. Stir the ingredients together. Heat the ingredients in a running boil. Cover the pot and simmer the ingredients for 25 minutes. Dumpling preparation. Open the can of biscuits. Roll the biscuits into marble-sized balls or dumplings. Don't use butter-flavored biscuits. Put the dumplings into the pot after you have simmered the ingredients for 25 minutes. Stir the chicken and dumplings. Check the pot if you need to add more water because dumplings easily absorb liquid. Taste and add more seasoning, pepper, and salt if needed. Stir the ingredients. Scrape the pan's bottom to ensure that the dumplings don't stick. Cover the pot and simmer the chicken and dumplings around 12 to 15 minutes. Stir constantly. The dumplings are cooked if they are tender and firm. Cooking tips. If you're making a stew and you want a thick sauce, just mix 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 tablespoons of rising flour and make a cream. Gradually add the mixture to the pot. Some flour will naturally pop up, but they'll diminish gradually as the butter and flour mixture melt. Stir the ingredients thoroughly so there won't be a flour taste on your recipe. Serve your chicken and dumplings. Cool them a bit before serving. They taste wonderful with sliced bread or bread rolls. Today, there are lots of international versions of this favorite dish. Like, the Chinese have wonton, and the Iranian Jewish has gundi. You can also use other meat like pork, lamb, and beef. You can alter the ingredients on your recipe to enhance it. Ask comments and suggestions from family members and friends to enhance your recipe.